Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain hoiking. Hoiking is a fascinating mechanic in Terraria that allows players and other entities to pass through solid blocks. It originated as an unintended glitch, but has since become a beloved and officially recognized feature of the game. Understanding hoiks opens up a world of possibilities for rapid transportation, automated systems, and creative building. We will explore how these unique structures work and how you can implement them in your own world. To build a basic hoik, you will need a hammer and some solid blocks. Begin by placing a line of blocks, leaving a 1-block space between each. Then, use your hammer to slope each block into a sawtooth shape, pointing in your desired direction of travel. For the entrance, you can place a platform at the start and hammer it once, or use an actuated block to initiate the movement. This setup forms the foundation for your hoik system. Hoiks can move you horizontally or vertically. For horizontal hoiks, remember that holding the down key is often essential to maintain continuous movement through the blocks. Vertical hoiks, on the other hand, typically involve different block configurations, such as hammered platforms arranged as steps, to propel you upwards. The precise angling and spacing of your sloped blocks are key to dictating the exact direction and impressive speed of your hoik. Hoiks offer incredible utility beyond simple travel. You can design elaborate systems to transport players, move non-player characters to specific locations, or even create automated item sorting machines for your loot. Many players use hoiks to build highly efficient mob farms, funneling enemies into traps. They can also bypass normally impassable barriers, such as the jungle temple's entrance, providing early access to valuable resources. The possibilities are truly vast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.